Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove an account from your Facebook app. So first of all, what we will do is we will head over to Facebook. And from here, what you can do now is you can log out of any accounts that you might be signed into. So if I just log out of my account right here, so click on log out and then log out again, you'll be brought back to the Facebook homepage before you log in. So what you can do now is you can simply go to the little settings icon in the top right hand corner. Click on the settings icon, and then what you can do now is you'll be redirected to this manage profiles page right here. So click on the one that you want to remove from your Facebook. So for me, I will just click on Ryan H. Chill right there at the bottom. Once I click this, you will now have the option to remove a profile. So click on remove a profile and then click on remove again to confirm this. Once you click on remove, as you can see, once we go back, there will now only be one account on my Facebook. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.